Okay, let's take a break and just talk. Because I'm guessing if you're watching this, you're either thinking about getting into trading, or you already started and now you're wondering why the hell you're losing money. Or maybe you saw some random guy on Instagram flipping $100 into a Lamborghini and thought, oh, damn, I want to do that too. And look, I get it. That's how most of us start. You see the flashy stuff, the wins, the crazy setup, the lifestyle, and you think, this is it. This is how I'm gonna break free. But here's the part they don't tell you. Trading isn't about getting rich quick. It's about not going broke slowly. Let me say that again. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about not going broke slowly. That's how you stay in the game. So when I started, I was like you. I watched a bunch of YouTubers. I downloaded TradingView. I added a few indicators, RSI, MACD, maybe a moving average or two. And I thought, cool, this is it. Buy when RSI is low, sell when it's high. And guess what? It works sometimes, other times no. And then you start doubting yourself. You're like, wait, I followed my strategy. I did what the YouTuber said. Why am I still losing? So then you try something else. New strategy, new indicator. Next thing you know, you're switching systems every week, chasing wins that never come. Look, the truth is this: trading is hard. It's simple, but it's not easy. And most fail not because the strategy is bad, but because they don't have patience. They don't track their trades, they don't manage risk, they don't have a plan. They're just throwing money into the market and hoping for the best. That's not trading, that's donating to me.
aka gambling.
Here, what actually works?
Brother just said, here, what actually works?
You build a setup, you backtest it, you figure out your edge, whatever that is, and then you do it again and again and again without second guessing yourself every time you take a loss. And yeah, you're gonna take losses. That's part of the game. But the goal isn't to avoid losses, the goal is to make sure that when you win more than you lose. So now, I'm not gonna sit here and promise you a mansion in Mykonos. You've already heard that from everyone else. But hear what I will say. This can absolutely change your life. Not overnight, but over time. It can give you space, it can give you control over your time, and maybe even a taste of the rich life you're dreaming about. But it will be your own version of it, not someone else's highlighted reel. So, this is some tough love. If you can't handle being wrong, don't trade. If you want instant results, don't trade. If you think trading is some kind of shortcut to avoid the 9 to 5, bro, this will eat your life. But if you're down to learn, to test, to fail, and to come back sharper, then maybe, yeah, this can be for you. So, what will I do with this channel? Here, what I'm gonna do. No fluff, no Lambo dreaming, no fake lifestyle bullshit, no waking up at 8 a.m. every morning. That's just crazy. I'm gonna walk you through my journey, what I learn, what I test, what I fail, and what wins. We'll build strategies, we'll look at real trades, and maybe build some robots later down the line. But all of it will be real, raw, and honest. So, yeah, if that's what you're into, hit the subscribe or whatever. If not, no hard feelings. Go chase the next guy who says you will be rich by Friday. But if you're serious, if you want to learn, this is the right way. And always don't forget, I answer all your questions down in the comments.
That's all for me. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please, if you could, subscribe, and I'll see you the next time. Keep the green side up.